Yo, that thing is huge.
Holy macaroni.
Oh.
Move aside. I gotta find the biggest heel I got. This one.
Oh my god. What happens if it runs?
Wait. It's not gonna
It's
run.
on your shirt. It's soft. You're not gonna be able to get it.
What if I pull him over? You think he'll move?
He might run up on your hand.
Oh my god, he is so big!
Yo, I swear I'm gonna run if he starts moving. Yo, pull the gray one. He's on the gray one. Aye.
Oh.
He moved!
Oh my god! I hate spiders!
So do I.
Oh my god, I can't move it. Should I squash him with my work clothes? Because that's what I'm gonna do, because I don't like spiders.
Just step on your clothes. Put your stompers on.
What if I don't get him? Make sure I'm getting him.
How? Where's he at?
What if I get him? Oh my god! Wait, go check. I don't want
No,
to.
I'm not going over there.
Oh my god, I feel like I did not get him. He's gone now.
I'm stopping this because this is serious. We gotta kill him. Hold up.